The natural beauty of Cuba is surpassed only by its citizens, ordinary people accomplishing extraordinary things. This fascinating people-to-people educational exchange steeps you in the scintillating ambience of Havana, Trinidad, and Cienfuegos, and introduces you to Cuba's charismatic locals and vibrant arts community. Enlightening excursions bring you face to face with Cuba's unique rhythm, colorful culture, and storied revolutionary history. A journey to the verdant Pinar del Rio region showcases Cuba's rural villages and pastoral beauty. Interact with your driver while cruising in a vintage convertible, engage with workers of a cigar factory, and enjoy the hospitality of a family in Trinidad. During these and many more Meet the People encounters, you'll gain an understanding of their life, culture, and experiences. Join us in Cuba for this authentic and meaningful people-to-people discovery, and return home with a cache of incredible memories. Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned professional who manages every detail. Our travel directors deliver unparalleled personal service, and our guests consistently rave about them. Plus, our expert guides and local speakers open your eyes to the region's history and culture. The energy and passion of this top-notch team creates a truly extraordinary experience. Knowing that where you stay makes all the difference, we meticulously select every hotel for quality, location, value, and character. Plus, this journey includes round-trip airfare between Miami and Cuba. Best of all, you'll travel with a small group, sized just right for a more individual experience and filled with comfortable camaraderie and new friendships. And because we value our solo travelers, many of our trips are specially priced with no single supplement. Just listen to what recent travelers had to say.
I like the variety of groups we visited. I feel I returned from this trip with a greater sense of the Cuban person's life and history.
It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.